Good evening, friends. This is Ravi from Universal Public School, Aurad Shahjani. Today we are going to learn very interesting topic, and that topic is very essential for sentence formation. Because English language, while speaking English language, many students, many people, they face the problem of how to construct the sentences. For the sentence construction, we should know exact words, because our sentences are totally dependent on the words. So today we are going to discuss that interesting topic. The name of the topic is parts of speech. So friends, what is parts of speech? Let me explain through some examples. See friends, now I have written two sentences. First one, he gave me a present. Second one, all the students are present in class. In these two different sentences, the one word, that same word I have used, that is, I have underlined it, present. In first sentence, that word is playing the role of noun. And in second sentence, that word is playing the role of an adjective. So while making sentences, when we form the sentences, when we create sentences, when we write sentences, or else when we speak sentences, that time we need words. And these words are divided according to their job, according to their role in the English language, grammar of English language. So parts of speech means what? If somebody asks you the question, what is parts of speech? Then your answer should be, that answer we have to give like this: role of words in a sentence is called parts of speech. I will revise the definition. Role of words in a sentence is called parts of speech. As I have already told you, words are classified, words are divided according to their job, according to their role in a sentence. They are called only parts of speech, nothing else. So there are 8 types of parts of speech in English. First one, that is noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. These are 8 different types of parts of speech. According to this, we are going to study today that first parts of speech. That name of that first parts of speech is noun. Let's start then. Everybody knows noun means what it is. Name given to person, place, animal, thing or quality. See, we can easily find out the definition of noun. Definition of noun, I am going to revise. It is name given to person, place, animal, thing or quality. It's noun. Isn't it simple? Yeah. The name of person, any name taken, my name only, Ravi, Neha, any name you can take. place, Aurad, Latur. Animal, any your favorite animal, as like tiger. Thing, marker. Quality, I will explain it later on. Here, truth. So definition of noun is what? Name of person, place, animal and thing or quality is called noun. Noun is also classified. It is divided into 4 types. First one, that is common noun. Second one, proper noun, collective noun and abstract noun. Fifth one, that is material noun. There are 5 types. In some books, only 4 types are given for the syllabus, but we should know exactly when we are going to speak, when we are going to communicate in English language, we should know, we should have the abundant knowledge, abundant vocabulary. That's why I am going to explain each and every type of noun. So let us start with the first, that is common noun. I have divided this board because common and proper, in I have to differentiate, I have to explain together. Let us start. I will write down some examples and then I will explain. I have written in common city, village, boy. Now common and proper. You should know the difference between common and proper noun. Common noun, which is generally used for all. Proper noun, the name is given to particular person, place, animal or thing. What is the difference between common and proper? Let's revise once again. Common noun, which is generally used for all people, animals, things, places. Proper noun, the name which is used, which is given for particular person, place, animal or thing. As I have explained, city, it can be any city. In India also, in whole universe, there can be a city. We call it city only. Generally it is used. Village, same. Boy, any boy. But when the proper noun, city, Aurangabad. Aurangabad is proper city. The name is given to that proper place. Village, common noun. Halgara, proper noun. Boy, common noun. Virat, proper noun. Let's revise once again. Parts of speech. The definition of parts of speech means what? Roll of words in a sentence is called parts of speech. There are 8 types of parts of speech. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. We have started today noun. The definition of noun is what? The name is given to person, place, animal, thing. That is called noun. Noun has also 5 types. Common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun, material noun. Out of that 5 types, we have discussed today common noun and proper noun. Common noun means what? A name is generally used for all people, animals, places, things. Examples are given already to you. Proper noun, the name is given to particular place, person, animal or thing is called proper noun.